Homework sheet 12, question 5. We're told that the equation x squared plus kx plus k plus 3 equals 0 has different real roots. A quadratic can have either 2, 1 or 0 real roots, and the number of roots it has is determined by its discriminant. The discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. If we have two different real roots, we know that this discriminant has to be greater than 0. In part A, we're asked to show that to create the inequality k squared minus 4k minus 12 is bigger than 0. From our quadratic, we know that a is equal to 1, b is equal to k, and c is equal to k plus 3. If I plug these three terms into my expression b squared minus 4ac, I get k squared minus 4 lots of k plus 3 is bigger than 0. If I expand my bracket, I get k squared minus 4k minus 12 is bigger than 0, which was what was required. I must make sure on a question like this one that I am introducing the inequality symbol before the final line. I can't just get to the point k squared minus 4k minus 12, look at my answer and go, oh, it needs to be greater than 0, and stick one of those in at the end, which is why I made sure to include it on this line, and I also included it when I defined b squared minus 4ac at the top. Part B now asks us to find the possible values of k which will give us two real roots. We have to solve this inequality. To start with, I'm going to set this inequality equal to 0 to find the critical values where we cross from a positive solution to a different solution. These sorts of equations usually can be factorized. This one is no exception, and it factorizes to k minus 6, k plus 2, which gives us critical values of k equals 6 and k equals negative 2. To figure out which way round the inequalities are going to go based on these numbers, I need to draw a simple sketch. This is a U-shaped quadratic in terms of k, and I know that it crosses the k-axis at the points minus 2 and 6. My sketch is very simple because all I care about is when this quadratic is bigger than 0 or smaller than 0. We're told in part A that we care about when this quadratic is bigger than 0, so I want this region here and this region here, which are all the times when k is smaller than negative 2 or when k is bigger than positive 6. I need to use an or here because there is no such value of k which is both smaller than minus 2 and bigger than 6 at the same time.